If you're looking for a great 3-channel dash cam, you're gonna wanna check this one out. I'm gonna unbox this, show you everything that is inside, and go over the specifics of it. So you get 2.5K, that is the camera. We have a G sensor, 3-channel, you have loop recording, and also a parking monitor. Some more stuff over here. You're gonna get a dash cam, so a front and a cabin. You get 11.48 car charger, adjustable section mount, wire trim tool, user manual, cable hiding clip, 32 gig memory card, which is really nice. Most of these things don't come with a memory card, and a mini USB cable. So let's get this opened up. I already took it out of the plastic for us here. So this is going to be the instruction guide. It's really easy to go through. This is going to be our back dash cam. So what you're going to do here with this one is, once the front one is set up, you're going to plug it into here, and we're going to snake this all the way back and set this up on the back windshield. This is our main camera right here, and this is also the other one. So this is going to be your main one. This is the controls up here, how to turn it on and off. We also have this section cup here. This also right over here can come off if you want, so you could just pull this off just like that. If you just want to use this main camera, you're literally just going to stick this up into your windshield, and everything will go. This could rotate up or down however you want. This as well, you can see you can make it straight or whatever you want. The camera quality on this is really great. I did take this down so you could see it. This is what you're going to use to plug into your lighter. So once you have this mounted, you're just plug in this to the lighter, and it's going to power on for you. You can see I just powered it on right now, and it is recording super crystal clear, which I really like. You could see, well, if you look at it this way, it sees, this camera is seeing you and this one is seeing me. So that is kind of how it works. You could take pictures with this as well if you like. Then it also comes with some cutting tools, some mounting tools. So overall, if you're looking for a great dash camera to kind of, if you're doing Uber or whatever, or just want to capture footage, definitely check this one out. And a big thank you to the brand for sending me this so I could do this review.